What's going on, guys? We lost $228, or $227.51 to be exact, on gold. We're going to cover the recap and get into it. We continue to be on a little bit of a losing streak, more than a little bit. I mean, been on a losing streak, straight up. Here is the 25K account. We lost 174.56, and on the 6K account, we lost about 52.95. Maybe you probably should have kept it under 50, but it is what it is. My goal is to keep the risk around 50 on this one and between 150 and 200 on the other one, on the bigger one. We'll still waiting on a trade copier there, so have to manually do these two trades essentially at the same time, or have to go in and do one, then into the other one. But it is okay. It's all right. So what's the trade here on gold? This is this morning that from when I'm filming the video, and we have essentially a blue line with my breakout point, looking for a break, and we got a little upper wiki action, and I got in. I had an alert set, got in, and then boom, dropped the hammer, and we lost. So simple. I mean, really wasn't a super crazy trade. I was looking out on the bigger time frames on, sorry, that's silver. That was yesterday, or the last trade recap from the day before. If I was looking out in the bigger time frames on the gold, I was actually looking for a move up towards this high. So my risk reward was pretty good. I thought it was up in here. My stop was underneath the consolidation of that. And then I was targeting roughly a 2-to-1 risk reward. So just around 23.85, give or take, which would have been just underneath this upper high from a couple days back, a couple weeks back at the beginning of June. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, roughly. I thought it was a valid trade. You've got trending to the upside the past, 2 weeks or so, week and a half on gold. You can say bigger picture that you're more in a consolidation on the bigger picture. So maybe my other side to that, it's like, well, probably could have just left it alone. And I probably could have. It was targeting pretty much right up into this high volume node as well. So I thought there was some room to push up into there. So I thought it was a valid idea. It was. On the 1 hour time from this morning, the trade looked really good to me. The only thing that I think I probably could have done a better job of understanding or looking at was the dollar. Not that this is necessarily the end of the world, because the dollar's been trending up while gold and silver have also been kind of trending up on the past week and a half. So I don't know, but the dollar's been quite strong. So that was probably I'm not sure if it wasn't perfect setup, could have left it alone. I'm not mad about it. I probably would have traded this again if I had the chance to. Just didn't work. Simple as that. So that's where we're at. The losing streak continues, but we had a good last month, so I'm not super surprised that we're on one, but I'm going to keep firing when I get the setups and continue to do what I've been doing. So thanks so much for watching. I'll leave a link to TradeZella below. I'm going to track this. I'm going to log everything, and we will hopefully have a lot of good data to dive into at the end of the month. This should be a really good one to dive deeper into. Peace.